Like on any other day, your antenna system works fine. But how can you ensure that it will always stay that way? Thankfully, SPINNER Antenna Monitoring System can help you. It continuously monitors the whole antenna system for arcing and water ingress, and informs you if there is any fault. Additionally, power monitoring is available. By simply replacing a U-link at your spinner patch panel or mounting a line section in your rigid line, it makes the installation easy in new and old sites. But why install in an existing system? Arcing and water ingress can occur for various reasons. For example, as a result of long-term usage or improper installation. If not detected early on, they can lead to high repair costs and long off-air times. Wherever you are, you will be alerted immediately if any fault occurs, remotely via SNMP and web interface, and locally via LEDs. In addition, you can connect the AMS to your transmitter interlock loop. It will also identify where the problem is, helping you to speed up the repair and save both time and money. Protect your infrastructure. Get in touch.